In this part, I will show you how to create and handle links on supported Catia elements. In Catia Magic, I can select an element with the right mouse button and then see if I can link this element to a part in Windchill. For example, the link options is not displayed here. This is because it makes sense not to link all elements with Windchill objects, only those that are provided or supported beforehand. There is a list for this that is relatively simple in this case. Objects that can be connected to SCC in Windchill, SysML requirement. Objects that can be connected to part in Windchill from UML, activity use case, actor interface, artifact state machine, from SysML, block. This list is very easy to customize. Now let's select a supported element, for example, an actor. I click on it with the right mouse button and the cOLT menu opens, and in the sub-menu, we click on Link Actor to Part or Version Part. Now the selection appears in which I choose the project, folder, and part. First, I select the project in which my part is located. Next, I select the folder in which my part is located. And finally, I search for the part itself that interests me. Let's assume that it is precisely this part. I select it. We can see the corresponding information about my Windchill object below. Next, we see Window, which allows me to select link type. And now I connect it to my actor. The first thing you see is that it has been given content and is marked with a small arrow that represents a hyperlink. Let's take a closer look at the content. A hyperlink to the actor has been selected accordingly. A hyperlink that is cOLT derives with a corresponding OSLC link as a connection to the Windchill part. You can take a closer look at this link by opening the editor. The first thing you notice is that this link cannot be changed by the user. It is therefore a systemic link, but here you can see again that it is a derives link between the actor one and the corresponding Windchill part with an OSLC link. The second link is Source Link, which provides us to the Windchill object page. By double-clicking on the actor, this link, for example, now allows me to obtain information and takes us directly to the element in Windchill. The cOLT submenu gives us the option of clicking on Follow Link to Windchill, which also takes us to the corresponding element in Windchill. There is also the option of linking with overwrite. I'll take the block, right-click, and then select Link Block to part with overwrite. I will now show you what overwrite means. To do this, I first have to enter the necessary information here. This is just an example. Now we can see that the billcock has been renamed and that the description from Windchill has also been adopted. We can also see in the diagram that the name has been changed. In the first case, the information from Windchill, such as title and description, was not transferred. The actor is still called A1, and the description is still empty. Here I have the possibility to make an update with overwrite, which allows me to take over the missing information from Windchill. The name of the actor is immediately renamed, and the corresponding description is also included. Also important to mention, I can unlink the actor. I can decouple the Catia element from the corresponding part in Windchill. This gives me a completely normal actor again. I can also do this with the block here below, for example, and so the relationships to Windchill are resolved. This was the e-learning video with the topic Create and Handle Links on Catia Magic Elements. Thank you for your attention and interest in cOLT. See you next time.